Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are taking this up from the topic of application of derivatives. And if I talk about the question which is given to us here from this topic, the question tells us that if function f of x is equals to determinant of x cube 2x square plus 1, 1 plus 3x. The second row has 3x square plus 2, 2x x cube plus 6. The third row has the terms x cube minus x, 4, and x square minus 2. So the question tells us that if the function f of x is the determinant of this for all x belongs to R, then the question is asking us to figure out the value of 2 times f of 0 plus f dash of 0 is equal to. And if I talk about the answer choices that we have here, the options we have is 24, 18. The third answer choice we have is 42. The fourth answer choice we have here is 48. So we need to figure out which one of the answer choices is the correct answer for the question that is given to us here. Let's try to solve this question further and find the solution for this. Before starting off with the solution for this question, I would first like to tell you that please do subscribe to my channel and support the channel as well, because it takes lots of efforts in making these videos for you on everyday basis, and it is free for you but also motivates me to put up better content and try to make the solutions as easy as possible so you understand them in a better way. Let's see how to solve this question further. So I have been asked to find the value of this expression which says 2 times f of 0 plus f dash of 0. So I understand if I want to find f of 0 from f of x, I will just substitute x as 0 everywhere in this determinant. So if I write the determinant once again first, I have f of x given to me as determinant of x cube 2x square plus 1, 1 plus 3x, 3x square plus 2, 2x, x cube plus 6, and x cube minus x in 4, and the last one is x square minus 2. So we have this terms. So this is x cube minus x only. Now if I put instead of x 0 everywhere to get f of 0, let's put x as 0 in the entire determinant. So you get 0 cube which is 0, 2 into 0 square which is again 0 plus 1. So 1, 1 plus 3 into 0 which is again 1, 3 into 0 0 plus 2, so 2, 2 into 0 0, 0 cube plus 6, so 6. Here you get 0 cube minus 0, so 0, 4 again, 0 square and minus 2, so minus 2. So if I solve for this, I get 0. This becomes 0 into minus 2, which is 0, minus 6 into 4, which is 24. But doesn't matter because it is just multiplied with 0. So the answer is definitely going to be 0 for this term. Minus 1. Then we multiply 2 into minus 2, which is minus 4, and minus 6 into 0, which is again 0. So it's just minus 4, and plus 1. So plus 1 if I do, 2 into 4, 8, and minus 0. So it's basically 8. So from here I get this is 4, this is 8. So 4 plus 8, which is basically 12. So I get the answer to this question of f of 0, that it is 12. Once I get this as 12, further I also want to find f dash of 0. So for that I will also need f dash of x. So once I have f of x with me, let's just write those the terms of the determinant once again. So it had basically x cube 2x square plus 1, 1 plus 3x, 3x square plus 2, 2x, x cube plus 6, x cube minus x, 4, x square minus 2. Now, this is the point at which you apply the concepts of derivatives. That's why we are understanding this question from the application of derivatives. So if I want to apply the derivative in this matrix, how to apply that? Let's understand. So when you want to apply the derivative of the matrix that is present, what you do is take the derivative of one row at a time and write the other two rows as it is. So if I write the derivative of this row first, derivative of x cube, that's gonna be 3x squared. Derivative of 2x squared plus 1, that is going to be 4x. And derivative of 1 plus 3x, which is going to be 3. The other two rows, I will just write it as it is. So it becomes 6. This becomes x cube minus x. Sorry, this is x cube plus 6, not just 6. This is 4 as it is, and this is x squared minus 2. So I have this now. Second, what you do is find the derivative of second row and write the first and third row as it is. So if I again write first and third row as it is first, x cube 2x squared plus 1 and 1 plus 3x. Third row I get x cube minus x for x square minus 2. The second row, if I take the derivative of that, I get 6x 2 and this becomes 3x squared. The third derivative, if I find the derivative of the third row, and write the first two rows as it is. So x cube 2x squared plus 1, 1 plus 3x. Second row, 3x squared plus 2, 2x and x cube plus 6. The third row, if I take the derivative of that, it gives me 3x squared minus 1, 0, and the last term becomes 2x. Now further, if I want to find f dash of 0, I'll just substitute 0 everywhere. So if I substitute 0, I get 0, 0, 3. This becomes 0 plus 2, 2. 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus 6, 6. This is again 0. This is 4. 0 minus 2, minus 2. Plus the other matrix. 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 again. 0 minus 0, 0 again. 2, 4 as it is. 3 into 0, again 0. 0 minus 2, minus 2. The third matrix I get here is 0 cubed, 0, 0 plus 1, again 1. So it should be 1, not 0. 1 plus 0, again 1. This is 0 plus 2, 2. 2 into 0, again 0. 0 plus 6, so 6. The last row, it would become 0 minus 1, which is minus 1. And the other two elements are 0, 0. So you have 0, 0 for the last two terms. Now, if I see to find the value of those determinants that we figured out, let's do it one by one. So 0 into 0 minus 24, which is 0. Minus 0 into anything also is again 0. So we have to just use this idea. So plus 3. 4 into 2, 8 minus 0. So 3 into 8. So for the first term, you have 3 into 8. Second. So second determinant, 0 into anything is again 0, so no use. Minus 1 into 0 minus 0, so again 0. Plus 1, 0 minus 0, that's again 0. So the entire second determinant is 0. Plus the third matrix. So for the third matrix, we have the last two terms as 0 only. I'm not able to write it, but we have this 0 and this is also 2 into 0, so 0. So the last two terms are 0. 0 multiplied with anything is always 0. Here you have minus 1. This is 2 into 0, which is 0, minus 6 into minus 1, so it becomes plus 6. So minus 1 into plus 6. And for the last term, we have 1. So 2 into 0, 0, minus 0. So that also gives you 0 basically. Now further, let's try to solve this. So I get from here 24 and minus 6 basically is this. So this gives you 18. You got f of 0 and you also got f dash of 0. Now let's figure out the answer for the question. So 2 times f of 0 plus f dash of 0. So 2 times f of 0, I know if I figure out 2 times f of 0, I have that as 12. And f dash of 0, I know it is 18. So you get 2 into 12, which is 24, plus 18, which is 42. So you get the answer to the question which is asked to us here. The value of 2 times f of 0 plus f dash of 0, and that turns out to become 42. That basically matches with option C. So C becomes the correct answer for the question that is given to us here. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions which deals with the ideas of using the concepts of derivatives. I'll see you again tomorrow with some other question from some other topic, and we are going to continue our series of questions on JEE mains. So stay tuned for more videos to roll out. Also, if you're enjoying these videos that we are doing on everyday basis, please do like the videos as well and do subscribe to my channel and share this channel with your friends also who are involved in the preparation of questions on JEE, so they can also take the benefit from these questions that we are solving on everyday basis. Thank you.